Do you want to start playing guitar but you don't know what guitar to buy? Or are you somebody that wants to buy a guitar as a gift for somebody that wants to play guitar but you don't know what guitar to buy? Well, you're in the right place, because I'm going to show you the best guitar to buy for a beginner. And that's coming up. Some people think starting out you need an electric guitar or a high-end guitar so that it sounds good, but first you got to learn how to play. And I disagree, because it might be easier to press on the strings and hear an electric guitar, but you still have to deal with an amp. You have to know how to operate the amp so that it'll sound good. So the easiest way to starting out is to get a non-expensive acoustic guitar, one that sounds good and is easy to play. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So what I've got here is the Jasmine S35. It has a spruce top and a rosewood fingerboard, chrome tuners. There's a truss rod that goes through the neck, so it keeps it in perfect adjustment. On a guitar this price, some of them don't have that, and I wouldn't recommend buying that. This is less than $200. In fact, it's less than $150. And let you hear what it sounds like. And one caveat to this is the big dreadnought body. It's going to sound great, but if you're getting this for a little kid, this is not the one for them, because it'll be too big. So there you have it. It sounds great. It's got that big dreadnought body. It's easy to play, and it's got a big sound. So check the links in the description for this guitar, and check the first link in the description.